The United States Air Force, USAF, has officially designated the combat drones developed by General Atomics and Anduril Industries as YFQ-42A and YFQ-44A, signaling a transformative moment in American military aviation. The announcement, made by General David W. Alvin during the 2025 Air and Space Forces Association Warfare Symposium in Aurora, Colorado, marks the first time unmanned aircraft have been granted a fighter designation. These drones are part of Phase 1 of the Collaborative Combat Aircraft (CCA) program, a groundbreaking initiative designed to integrate autonomous combat drones with crewed fighter jets to enhance the Air Force's operational capabilities. This decision represents a major step toward the future of network warfare, where manned and unmanned platforms work together to achieve air superiority. The official nomenclature of YFQ-42A and YFQ-44A follows the USAF Standard Aircraft Designation System. Y indicates they are prototype aircraft. F signifies their classification as fighters. Q confirms their status as unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs. This designation highlights a paradigm shift in the way the Air Force classifies and deploys combat aircraft. By officially recognizing these drones as fighters, the USAF is acknowledging their role as offensive air combat assets, capable of engaging threats alongside traditional fighter jets. General Alvin emphasized that while this designation is an administrative milestone, it also reflects a fundamental transformation in air combat strategy, moving away from traditional all-manned operations to a hybrid force structure that integrates artificial intelligence, AI, and autonomous systems. The YFQ-42A and YFQ-44A are developed under Increment 1 of the CCA program, focusing on air-to-air missions. These drones will serve as autonomous wingmen, supporting crewed fighters like the F-35 Lightning II in combat scenarios. Their key roles will include extending sensor coverage for enhanced battlefield awareness, providing additional firepower without endangering human pilots, executing high-risk missions autonomously, reducing exposure to enemy threats. The Air Force envisions a system where a single crewed fighter controls multiple CCAs, forming a networked combat force capable of overwhelming adversaries through coordinated, AI-driven tactics. Beyond air-to-air missions, these drones are also expected to perform electronic warfare, EW, reconnaissance, and surveillance, with future iterations potentially expanding into autonomous strike missions. The selection of General Atomics and Anduril Industries for the first phase of the CCA program demonstrates the Air Force's confidence in their ability to develop cutting-edge autonomous fighter aircraft. General Atomics is responsible for the YFQ-42A, which has been designed to seamlessly integrate with existing fighter platforms and enhance air dominance through manned-unmanned teaming, MUMT. Anduril Industries developed the YFQ-44A, previously known internally as Fury. The company has described it as a highly capable, semi-autonomous combat drone designed for mass production, cost efficiency, and operational flexibility. These drones will be crucial in helping the Air Force maintain a technological edge over adversaries in the evolving battlefield of the 21st century. The designation of the YFQ-42A and YFQ-44A is a core component of the Air Force's broader modernization strategy, particularly within the Next Generation Air Dominance (NGAD) program. The NGAD initiative aims to create a multi-layered combat air system, combining crewed and uncrewed aircraft in complementary roles to secure air superiority in future conflicts. Under the current procurement strategy, the Air Force plans to acquire between 100 and 150 drones under Increment 1 of the CCA program. Develop Increment 2, which will introduce more advanced drones with increased mission versatility. Integrate more than 1,000 CCAs into the USAF force structure over the long term, significantly expanding its air combat capabilities. These steps highlight the Air Force's commitment to shifting toward a hybrid air combat model, where AI-powered drones and manned jets collaborate seamlessly in battle. As the USAF expands its drone capabilities, it is actively restructuring combat doctrines and operational planning to incorporate these new aircraft effectively. According to General Alvin, the introduction of YFQ-42A and YFQ-44A marks a departure from conventional air combat models that exclusively rely on human pilots. Instead, the Air Force is embracing a networked warfare approach, leveraging AI and real-time data fusion. Human-machine teaming, where autonomous drones act as force multipliers. Adaptive and flexible combat strategies, optimized for modern, high-tech battlefields. This transition is expected to enhance survivability, reduce pilot workload, and increase the overall effectiveness of U.S. air operations. The next phase for the YFQ-42A and YFQ-44A involves rigorous flight testing and evaluation. Both drones are scheduled to begin test flights this summer, where they will undergo extensive performance assessments, including evaluating flight characteristics and maneuverability, testing weapon system integration and sensor performance, assessing interoperability with manned fighters like the F-35 and F-22. The data gathered during these real-world tests will play a critical role in refining their design and ensuring they meet operational requirements before entering full-scale production. With the formal fighter designation of YFQ-42A and YFQ-44A, the U.S. Air Force has taken a bold step toward revolutionizing air combat. The integration of AI-powered combat drones into frontline operations marks a strategic shift aimed at increasing operational effectiveness while reducing risks and costs. The CCA program, alongside the NGAD initiative, underscores the USAF's commitment to leveraging emerging technologies to maintain air superiority in the face of evolving global threats. As the YFQ-42A and YFQ-44A move into advanced testing and production, they are set to reshape the future of military aviation, demonstrating that the era of manned-unmanned fighter collaboration is no longer a concept, but a reality. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. See you in the next video. Take care and stay awesome.